What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? I'm here to do an unboxing of Kushy Punch. It's a cannabis infused gummy. Okay, so at first glance, you'll see that the dose is clearly stated, what it's made from, full spectrum cannabis oil. On the side, you could see that they are allergen free and kosher. So if you have a lot of dietary restrictions, this might be the product for you. Also has ingredients: organic cane sugar. Organic. Just kidding. It probably is. I don't know. The whole thing is 10 doses altogether. 100 milligrams and 1 milligram of CBD. Okay, well, let's see. Let's just open this bad boy up and see what we got in here. Alright. Oh, this is upside down. Alright, it looks like it comes in a blister pack. And it is, in fact, 10 gummy pieces. Single dose is recommended. As you can see, this gummy does not come separated. It's a little oily. I'm actually getting a lot of oil on me. And honestly, since I only paid $10 for this, I am gonna eat the whole thing and get back to you guys in an hour. Bon appetit, and let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been an hour, and I'm here to do a review of the Kushy Punch gummy. This is the 100 milligram. Okay, so yeah, not even an hour in, and it hit me, man. I am fucking stoned. Definitely something that's worth $10. I've bought $20 edibles that I've split in half, and like they haven't gotten me this high before. A lot of $10 edibles themselves from other companies haven't gotten me this high before. Another thing I didn't mention was the taste. This actually doesn't taste too bad for being as small as it is. Usually the small candies taste like absolute shit. This one was actually pretty good. I will say I am actually very impressed because I smoke every day, and this has got me really faded. Yeah, there really isn't much else to say. This product was pretty good. I will be reviewing more in the future. But if you want to check this out, they're kushypunch.com. Got this in Southern California. So, yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Let me know in the comments why I sucked, or, you know, just roast me for whatever. Let me know how I can do this shit better so I can do it in the next video. Alright, peace out, guys.